the First RSI Level Indicator, which is offered for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on the Dart chart. Additionally, traders can read this page to understand how the indicator works and functions. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file and execute the indicator by dragging the file onto the chart. Once the indicator is placed on the chart, it begins to display buy and sell signals on the price chart and shows the price reaction zones by drawing support and resistance levels. The First RSI Level Indicator performs its calculations based on the RSI indicator and displays trading positions to traders. In the Settings section, under the Input tab, there are options available where we can select the RSI period settings, which is set to 14 by default. In the next section, we can specify the overbought level along with the oversold level. In this part, we can enable or disable the alert notification when a buy or sell signal is issued. In the following section, we can adjust the shift period settings, which display signals relative to the current candle. If we set this option to 0, any signal issued will be displayed on the candle that is still open and not yet closed. If it is set to 1, it will wait for the candle to close before displaying the signal. In the next section, we can adjust the thickness of the signals, which can be changed from 1 to 5. In the next section, we can set the color of the buy signal. Along with that, we can change the color of the sell signal to our desired color. Here, we can see a buy signal where, after the buy signal is issued, the price moves upwards, and here with a pullback to our support level, we can have a re-entry and enter a buy trade again. And after that, we see the price has moved upwards. Or in this section, a sell signal has been issued for us. And after that, the price has moved downwards. And with a pullback to the resistance level, we can have a re-entry and enter a sell trade. Well, friends, we have reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comment section.